WeedsDay playlist. Cannabis Grow Light Company, Fosse, Fohse, shares...
Listen.
What does that mean?
Fos.
Wait a second.
Or it's an abbreviation.
What does it mean?
No, I don't know.
It's Fohse. I don't know either.
There's something that else that. Wow.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's coming in. Let it flow. Let it flow.
When you say it's coming in, you mean in the chat?
Anyways.
So they made like a playlist, and I wonder if any of you guys agree.
Okay, go ahead. What do you got? Kanye West.
All of the lights?
Follow the
Sure.
See this. Oh, because they're a lights company. They're a lighting company.
Yeah.
All right, I get it. All the lights, yeah. Oh, blinding lights.
Wow, you figured out their marketing strategy off the first one.
Yeah, of course. Come on, Mo. I've been in this game too long. Red light, green light. Who's that by?
Limp Bizkit.
I don't remember.
Snoop Dogg.
I don't remember that song. Red light, green light, you ready to roll? That's a lyric. I just read it from there. The Doors, Light My Fire.
This one's a good one.
Light my fire.
Journey.
Lights. Fosse help create.
What? What?
Oh, man. You never know where you're going to go on the internet. It's a wild ride over here. You never know
there's
where
some
you're
good
gonna
ones
end up.
here.
Yeah, well, listen. Feel free to, your listening pleasure, you can head over there.
Yeah.
And have a time.
Mm-hmm. I guess that's it.
You're done. That's it. That's pierogies and pears, and you decide to go out on the Fosse Inc.
Well, just put in meaning. Or actually, you know what? Well, whatever.
No, his meaning is not.
No, I know the whole.
No.
It's gonna.
Oh, it must be a different language of some kind. But I just don't know. It's Fos. It must be Fos. Or Fos. Something like that. Vin wants you to spell it differently. Vin, you can do it. You have a laptop in front of you if you really want the people to know. But they don't need it. They're in the chat. They already know everything. They know what's going on. That was a fun one. I feel replenished and rejuvenated. It ended abruptly, which is fine, man. This is a show. It's a show, and you never know where it's gonna go. And we travel around the internet, and we see what's going on, just like you do. You know, we got the same problems you got, trying to make sense of it. Trying to separate the real from the fake, as many famous rappers have said in the past. We're just lucky enough to have one hell of a team, including the likes of Willie Doo. You already knew that one. Mo, who's busy clicking over there. No microphone today, unfortunately. No microphone because he was booted. He took a shoulder to the chin. From Vin, who's wearing shoulder pads today. Not the type that you wear in a sport, the type that you wear under a suit jacket. So that you look just a little bit more, manlier. So you get the right shape. Those type of shoulder pads. That's what he hates you with. But anyway, yeah, Vin too. Shout out to Vin. He manned the chat. He shouted out the super chats. Which, by the way, I'd like to shout out to anybody with the super chats that contributed today. We truly appreciate it. We do this for you. This is a community show. It's for the community. We're going to be reliable with it. Vin made a sound because he likes to beat.
Well, there might be a sample in there, I recognize.
He's sample sniffing.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Are we gonna see him tomorrow, Will?
Yeah.
We're gonna see you tomorrow. We're gonna see you tomorrow.